Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up a Payhip store. So if you don't already have an account, just get one started for free and sign up. I'm just going to log into my account. And now once you're here to set up your store, you want to click on store right there. And here you can actually launch your store builder. So let's do that. And we're going to build everything from scratch. So you have to add your first product before customizing your store design. So here you want to choose what you are selling, a physical, digital, course, membership, and so on and so forth. So we can actually maybe choose a course. So I just wrote a course title, recipes 300. I'm just gonna add a course right now. And from here, now we're gonna click store again, launch your store builder. And now it will open up. Now, as you can see, there's already something here, about me page, for example. But first of all, make sure that you understand what you will be working with. So you will be working with the left side right there mostly. And also you can see here a desktop and mobile versions. So you can look at how both look like when you edit them. And now you can actually just edit about me page by clicking on it, replace the image. I just chose a random photo from the free images, and I'm just going to choose this image by clicking on it. Now you can leave the heading if you like it like so. Describe something about yourself. You can change the background colors here. You can change the color scheme, so dark, black, light, or white. So I'm just gonna choose dark maybe. And the highlight, oh, let's leave it like so. Now save the changes. And we can go back now. If you want to delete the section, if you don't like it, you're just gonna click right there. Now we want to add some sections. So by clicking here, you will be able to select the sections. So image with text, a gallery, and so on and so forth, featured products. So let's just choose this one. And now you're going to choose from these templates. So let's maybe choose this one. And you can also, let's save the changes now. And let's navigate it at the top right there, as you can see here. And of course, let's edit it. My top recipe book, for example, or my top recipes. And basically you write down the description here, shop now. We can leave it like so, a button link to all the products, the text font size, you can format it here, again, change the color scheme and so on and so forth. I'm just gonna save the changes, and let's also edit the background and replace the image. So let's search for recipes, for example, and let's add this image here and save the changes. After that, let's go back here, and here you can actually add more and more sections as much as you want. So we can again add some sections here. So like a featured product. Now we want to choose a product, and I just created a random product, which you can actually edit now here. And now once you will be done with your sections, what you want to do is edit the header. So the header would be this menu bar. So you can add your store logo here. But if you will upload a logo, then the store title will be removed. So I'm just going to use and leave it like so. Let's go back. Now you want to edit the navigation links, which means that you can add more sections here. So for example, about me, and then you're going to choose from those pages you just created. And after you have done that, you're just going to apply the changes, save the changes, and go back. Now, once you will be happy with your header, again, you can edit the header layout here. You can show announcement bar and enter some kind of text at the top right there. For example, if you're doing a sale or so on and so forth. I'm not gonna do that. Now, some elements again, but let's just leave it like so. And now you want to edit the footer. So the footer, again, you can add all of the navigation links. If you are selling products, you can add here a refund policy, privacy policy, FAQs, and so on and so forth. So here you can add a link, just like with other things, and edit that footer here. Again, the color scheme, you can choose the color scheme. Now, as you can see, there is editing single page. So you can actually click edit all pages at the same time, and you can start editing them all if you want to change, for example, a color and so on and so forth. So, for example, if you want to choose a different color scheme, you can click edit here, and you will be able to choose a different, as you can see, they are editing all at the same time. So if we want to change the same changes, save the changes. After that, you will be able to edit the background color, store title, what type of color it is, as you can see. Background, primary button, as you can see, you can choose a different color, like so. So we can make it like so, make it black text, and the border again like so. Primary buttons, basically you can edit here everything color wise. As you can see, there's a lot of options. If you won't like it, you can click reset to default, and it will go back to what it was. And let's just go back. So that's basically how you set up your store with Payhip. After you will publish it, then only it will be available for others to see. You can preview your store like so, click on every single pages and so on and so forth. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. That's how you set up your store. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.